Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F31 error and you're wondering what's going on and what you need to do to fix it. So, hopefully you didn't get this error like after a lightning strike or a power surge or something like that, because what this error is it's sensing that there is a failure on the motor control board. So there's really only two things you can do to try to fix this. Beyond checking all the wiring and make sure there's no wiring issues like that, doing a hard restart on the washing machine, so turning it off, disconnecting it from power, waiting 5 minutes, restoring power, turning it on. And then you might need to have, in most cases, you're probably going to have the motor control board replaced because it's been fried somehow. And to do that, you're probably going to need to call a professional, because if you get in there, you're going to end up voiding your warranty. Anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.